What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the Bluetooth cutting issue on your Honor smartphone. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold the side key and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your device, and restarting your device will fix small software glitches like Bluetooth cutting issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on apps option again. Now click on this three dot more option on the top right corner and then tap on show system processes. Now go to the search bar and search Bluetooth. Now open the Bluetooth app and then go to its storage. Now after opening the storage, tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory of Bluetooth. And after clearing the cache memory, Bluetooth cutting issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is check for your phone software. So to check that, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on system and updates, and then click on software update. And from here check if your phone is updated to the latest software version or not. So if your phone is not updated, then update your phone, and after updating your phone, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the Bluetooth cutting issue on your Honor smartphone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.